Right guys, we have some good news regarding the Apple TV because allegedly Apple plans to give us a cheaper variant as soon as the second half of 2022, so let's delve into it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours, and with that being said, let's just tuck in. So this comes from Inchiquo, a very credible source, and so yes, I do very much hope and think this information is legit. CS Quo believes that as soon as the second half of 2022 approaches, which is very soon, we could see a cheaper variant of the Apple TV launch. Now, the main reason Apple's releasing this is to promote their services. They have a pretty successful collection of content with Apple TV Plus, and having a physical box to promote that content and also to get people to use more Apple services is of course going to be a massive boost. And yeah, I do very much think Apple should have released this years ago because the Apple TV's main issue has been the price. It's way too expensive compared to rivals, and yes, I totally understand that it has a lot more features and is way more capable than other set-top boxes, but I don't think everyone needs those features. Apple should offer us an SE variant with the basics of the Apple TV experience at a much cheaper price. And actually, there were rumours regarding a stick in the works, but then was cancelled because apparently could taint Apple's image of luxury, which I don't get because Apple sells a ton of cheap products. But anyways, it seems like those plans might be on again if Quo's reports is right. And yeah, this would be the perfect replacement for the very old Apple TV HD that Apple still sells. That has an A8 chip, it's painfully slow, and also has no 4K support, which is kind of the standard right now in 2022, so I do think Apple should replace that with a cheaper stick. And yeah, a stick that's $99 and gives you the core experience of tvOS would be very popular. So yeah, fingers crossed, Quo is right about this. Anyways guys, tell me in the comments below, would you be in the market for a cheaper Apple TV? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out everything above on details regarding the iPad Pro with the M2 chip. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.